Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to run diagnostics on FUJITSU Celsius laptop. To run diagnostics, shut your laptop down and then wait for 30 seconds to make sure it's fully off so that the light on the power button doesn't light up, and I'm just gonna wait until the light next to the power button goes off. Then press on the power button, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F12 on your keyboard. Once you hear a beep, you can release that key, and now wait a moment. Then click on Tab key on your keyboard, which is on the left side of the Q letter on most keyboard layouts, or A letter on French layout. And yeah, once you click on that, you can use the arrows to go to diagnostics screen, then click on enter, and now you are in the diagnostics. So I think that's basically it. There's nothing more that you can do on this exact laptop. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.